This 2018 Keystone Alpine 340 IRS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 36 feet 4 inches in length and features air conditioning, water heater, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV, slide-out, oven, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.